Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this System AI review, I'm going to show you each and everything about System AI so that you can decide whether it is good for you or not. But before that, a quick bonus here. If you haven't signed up to System AI, then I have a full course that I am offering to those who are using my referral link that is in the description of this video. Simply use that uh, referral link and you'll be eligible to get this full System AI course as a bonus, where I've shown you from buying your domain to creating your business email to integrating each and everything in System AI, from payment method, creating sales funnel, sending newsletter. Everything I have shown you in this course in a step-by-step process. Similarly, when you use that referral link, you'll immediately get these pages which you can edit and reuse again and again in your uh, opt-in page, landing page, sales page, whatever page you want to use, you can keep on using it. Okay, so now without doing any delay, let's get started with our System IO review. So as you can see, you can create sales funnel firstly inside System IO. Second thing, you can do email marketing, send newsletter, automation email. Similarly, you can build your own website inside from System IO. Similarly, you can create your own affiliate program from System IO. Similarly, you can automate each and everything inside System IO. Similarly, you can, if you want to launch your own evergreen webinar, you can do that too. You can build your own course, video course, and then host all of the video from inside the platform and create a membership site where you can give access to your student to the course that you have created. Okay, you can do each and everything from inside System IO. So again, this blogging is like creating your own website. Okay, and you can sell your product, course, whatever you want to sell. You can integrate Stripe, PayPal at the current moment. Now let's get inside this platform. So this is the main dashboard where you'll see how many email signups you have got at here and how many sales you have got at here. It will be updated here also, okay, which where you can see all the emails that you have got. Similarly, if you hover your mouse over here and click on this affiliate dashboard, then you'll see how many people have signed up through your affiliate link for System IO. Similarly, if you hover here and click on student dashboard, then you'll see all the courses that you have access to in System IO. Okay, so you can simply click on open and watch the full course. So when you sign up to the with the referral link that I have given in the description, and then you will be eligible to get this System AI full course as a bonus. I have created it. It has 31 lesson. Everything is shown in step-by-step process. Similarly, now let's go back, and you can hover your mouse here and click on this marketplace. So this is a place where you can get several affiliate offers. Okay, those people who have built their sales funnel, opt-in page in System AI to promote any product or services, they are offering these product and services to be promoted by other people. Okay, like affiliate marketing. And you can simply come here, choose a product, and you can click on promote offer and get your own special link to promote this offer, and you will get a 50% commission on total sales amount of this product. So this is in simple. You can also put your offer in this marketplace so that other people can promote your product. Now here you can see, if you click on contacts, then you will see all the email list that you have gathered, you have got through your opt-in page, sales page. Okay, similarly, tags simply means a category of several emails. You can call it a email list also in normal word. So let's click on here and let's see. So as you can see, this is my get response or email list, which is a tag. Okay, I can simply click on, so let's say, let me copy it, click on add new tag, and I can simply put this name and click on save. Okay, and a tag will be created. Now when I assign this tag to of opt-in funnel or a sales page, then all of the email sign up that I get from that funnel, it all will be this all will be listed at here. As you can see, I have 91 at here. Okay, similarly, funnels, in funnels you can create several funnels. You can simply click on create, and you can simply select. I have shown all of these things in my Systeme AI full course. Okay, you can simply select what type of funnel you want to create. If you want to build an audience, select this. Sell a product, select this. If you want to build a custom funnel from scratch, you can select it. If you want to run an evergreen webinar, you can select it. Okay, and you can create any funnel that you want. I have created, as you can see, 8 funnels at the current time. So in case of email, here you can see, you can simply click on newsletter, and you can send the newsletter to your tags. Okay, email list, you know, this tags, you can send this email to your tag. As you can see here, I have sent this to my this email list, that was a tag. Okay, and I've sent it to 90 people, and 35 people opened it, one person clicked on it. Okay, in similar way you can also send newsletter. It is extremely simple to create newsletter. Simply click on here and start to create it. Now another is campaigns. So creating a campaign is also extremely easy. It is an automated email sequence. Whenever someone sign up to your sign up from your opt-in page or sales page, then you can send a series of email like up to 4 to 5 days automatically. That is called campaign. I generally don't use campaign because I use workflow. Okay, which is a good visual editor. I'll talk about that after some time. Okay, if you want to create a campaign, I've shown that also in my Systeme AI full course. You can watch that, or you can simply click on create, and there is a step-by-step process that you need to follow. I cannot show you at this moment, but I'll show you about workflow after some time. Okay, so just understand that it is a series of email that you can send in an automatic way, and same thing is workflow is also. Okay, now if you click on statistic, then you will see how much email you have sent, how much was the open rate, how much was the bounce rate. These kind of things you can see in this statistics section. Now if you click on blogs, now you can simply click on create a blog and give the name, select a domain, and select what type of theme you want to use, and you can simply um, edit those edit everything in this theme, and you can create a blog in an easy way. Okay, similarly in case of automations, if you click on these rules, then here you can see all the rules that are created. Okay, you can simply click on add a rule and add any rule that you want at here in this way. Or what you can do, you can also use, let's go to this funnel, and let's say Systeme AI full course. Okay, let's click on here and click on, let's say this is the opt-in page, and you can simply click on automation rule, and you can see I have added one rule at here, and same rule is shown at here also. Okay, in this way. So this rule simply means that whenever someone subscribe to my Systeme AI full course opt-in page, then that will get a immediately get a tag of Systeme AI full course. Okay, which name is Systeme AI full course, and they will be kept at there, and I'll immediately know whenever I log in and watch that these people have signed up to sign up from that opt-in page. Okay, so I've talked about all of these things in detail in my Systeme AI full course. If you are really interested in going through or learning each and everything that is inside Systeme AI, then my Systeme AI full course would be a better option for you, because I have taken you in a step-by-step process everything. Similarly, if you hover your mouse, so okay, here in workflows, now we'll see about workflow. As you can see here, I have one build your online business workflow, and another is Execute workflow. So let's see this Execute workflow. So as you can see, whenever someone subscribe from the sign up 7 form, okay, this is a opt-in funnel. Okay, then simply click on add and click send this email, and again click on add and wait 10 minutes, and then add person, click on link in the email. Okay, in this email, if someone clicks the link, then yes, then they will be waiting for 1 day. Okay, if no, then they will again receive this email. Okay, Similarly, after everything that happened, wait for 1 day, and then again another email will be sent. Another again again they will wait for 1 day, again another email will be sent. In this way, you can keep on creating series of email with this visual editor, okay, which I have also talked about in my Systeme full course. So now let's go to this products and sales. Now you can see you can create coupons at here, okay. Similarly, if you want to create course, you can simply come here and click on this course and click on add new course, okay. Click on add new course, and once you create your course, it will, let's say, let's go inside here once, and you can see. So step 1, this is the module, okay. You can you can understand it as a chapter, and then inside there are lessons. Again, you can create another module, and inside there are several chapters, okay. In this way you can create course, and then you can simply click on this preview, and your course will automatically look like this, okay. So for example, let's go here, and let's click on here, and if you notice in this video, I have uploaded this file directly into Systeme. I haven't used any other thing at here, okay, like direct link or custom embedded code, okay. In direct link, I could use YouTube videos, but I have uploaded directly at here in Systeme. This video, all of the video inside my course. Okay, so similarly, you can create coupons which you can later use in sales page to give discount, okay. And you can also manage your own affiliate program at here. You can see your students who have enrolled in your course in here. You can also create like 5 course and make a bundle of that course and sell it, okay. You can create here and see affiliate invoices. You can see about subscriptions. If you have if someone have subscribed to your subscription plan, you can see at here. You can see transactions at here. You can see about orders, about maybe physical product. If you are selling physical product, you can also see about all those details at here, okay. You can play with this thing and learn more about these things. Now if you got confused at any point while using the system, then you can simply click on help, and you can either watch their help article, or what you can do is you can also click on this contact form and message them directly. If you want to learn, knowledge base is here. If you want to watch some short videos from Systeme, you can watch here, or you can simply click on here and contact the Systeme directly, Systeme support directly. Now if you click on here, you can click in my plan and see what plan you are in. Either you are in free plan or $27 plan or more than that, okay. You can click on settings. Now this settings is important, okay. You can click on here in payment gateways and attach your payment gateway, that is Stripe, PayPal, this what is Mercado Pago. I don't know what kind of payment method it is, but it is at here. In mailing setting, you can set up all the domain. You can authenticate all the domain, and you can use this email address, business email or professional email, to send email, because if you use Gmail at here, then your email will not be delivered or delivered to the spam folder. Similarly, you can also put a test email address, so whenever you create a newsletter, you can firstly see the preview in this email that you put here, okay. And in membership setting, you can choose a photo of your, like teacher photo. In my Systeme full course, you can see, and there's my photo at here, I think, in here. Similarly, in sales funnel setting, you can either put your maybe if you want to put a Google Analytic tag or Facebook pixel, you can put it at here. You can also put that inside the sales funnel itself, but you can also put it at here, so that every funnel will automatically get this tracking code, okay. In case of custom domain, you can add a custom domain, which is also simple, and I have also talked about that, shown you in a step-by-step process how you can do that in this course, that is Systeme full course. You can change the password. So overall, this much thing are inside Systeme IO. And in order to use this Systeme IO, in my experience, if you tell me, there are lots of pricey tools out in the market, and I think Systeme IO is lot cheaper than that, and their pays are fast. Okay, everything is smooth inside Systeme IO, and once you build a habit of you editing, creating things inside Systeme IO, it will be extremely easy for you to do each and everything inside Systeme IO. Now if you let's say if you see their pricing, then firstly you can start for free, like it is $0 per month for lifelong. You don't even need to pay for using this plan. Okay, in this plan you will get up, you can keep up to 2000 emails, you can send unlimited emails, you can create 3 sales funnel, you have 10 funnel steps inside all of these 3 sales funnel. So you can create one blog post as unlimited you can create. If you want to create course, then you can create up to 1 in this free plan. Students, unlimited student you can get in it. File storage is unlimited. Automation rule 1, you can put 1 automation rule, you can put 1 workflow, 1 tags, you can create up to 1 tag. You can create 1 email campaign, 1 click upsell, order bump, you can use these things. Okay, as you can see, you can yourself see all of these things. You'll only not get is free migration, evergreen webinar you will not get in this plan, and one kickstart coaching you will not get in this plan. Okay, other things that if you really want to get started with Systeme IO, then this plan is good fit. And once you do everything and know that yeah, this could work for you, then only you can go to the paid plan. Okay, so I think this much I wanted to show you in this Systeme IO review. I hope this video is helpful for you. If it was, then please do comment. If you have any question, you do comment and I'll be more than happy to answer you in the comment section. Do like this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day. Bye bye.